Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove friends from my chat on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already of course done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So in the top bottom right corner, we have the spotlight where you can check out all the messages, videos. You have all your friends here, and the other options are your location, your chat, and your camera. But now guys, let's see how to remove friends from my chat on Snapchat. Well, it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So you just need to go to the chat screen, which is on the bottom left corner, the second thing. I won't be opening it because I have some private messages with my friends there. Swipe right to go to the chat screen, tap and hold on the friend's name that you open the screen from, and then tap Manage Friendship. Then all you need to do, guys, is just tap Remove Friend, and the friend will be removed from the friends list. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said already, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.